Hi, good morning. Here in the windy Wyoming. There you go. We're just about to pack up this. Pretty cold night again, but you know, we get on with it. This dog just came out of nowhere. He's trying to get in our car. Hello.
Hi. Oh. Oh.
So fluffy.
So big. Jesus Christ.
We're just trying to get an Airbnb because if you buy Airbnbs on the day, you get a discount price because they're obviously just trying to make money. I hope this works because I want to stay somewhere with a shower and some internet and some electronics so I can start editing my videos more. Over here, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but that's all snowy mountains, like thick snow. It's the craziest thing. I hope we can get closer and get a better look at it. There's snow literally up here. And this is in June, well, pretty much June, going into June. Look, there's snow right there. This is the craziest thing I've ever witnessed. I feel like we have to get out and like experience this snow.
No, it's cold. We don't have a car.
There's... Look at the trees. What the heck? This is amazing. And then you just see that view. And Emily's commentary in the background there. I mean, look at that. That's insane. The fact that it's just snowing is like blowing my mind.
Yeah, we wouldn't have gotten this view while we were over there, actually.
No, I'm kind of glad we took this 3-hour detour towards where we're staying tonight because one of the roads was shut.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah. I mean, that is fucking amazing.
Looks sick.
It just does, doesn't it? I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but it's snowing. It's now snowing on like where we are. It's crazy. This is our room. Oh wow, it's very nice. Where's the light? Wow, this is really nice. Except it'd be nice if there was some light. Got our bed, a shower. Right, just washed my hair, about time. I'm just going to show you around the room in 2 seconds because I've got 2% on this GoPro camera battery, but we've got the cowboy themed cowboys.
Oh, that's right.
So that we got like the horse food and all that all around. What do you call them? These things. Horse rack? Horse. Anyway, bed. This is kind of cool. Nice little cool cowboy photo there. And you've got all the cowboy stuff. Look at this.
Put it up there.
Oh wow, nice. It's really nice, really cute and cozy for one night. And then you come in here, the bathroom. And same thing. Hello. Cowboy shit. Another mirror. Ride 'em cowboy. yeah, it's pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna upload some videos, and then yeah, thanks for watching. Tomorrow we're going hunting. We're not hunting. We're not hunting for what are they called?
Moose.
Moose. But we're going to look for some moose. We want to find a. We want to see a moose tomorrow. That's the aim of tomorrow's day. Very squeaky floor as well. But thanks for watching again. Another reminder: if you haven't watched the others, go watch them because they're good, like this video. And yeah, anything you want to add?
Bye.